So here the screen of this computer has been rotated, its apps have come down, and the taskbar is seen on the side. The whole wallpaper has been turned upside down. So if you also have such a problem in your computer and you are not able to fix it, then watch the whole video, your problem will be solved. So to fix this problem, you have to bring the cursor of the mouse anywhere on the screen of your computer and then click the right button of the mouse, and then as soon as this option comes you have to bring the cursor of your mouse on the display setting, and after bringing it on the display setting you have to click on it. So the display setting will look something like this. Here you may have to face some difficulty in controlling the mouse because the screen is in rotate mode and you will take the mouse somewhere else, the cursor will go somewhere else. So here you keep your mouse in control, don't click too much here and there because more settings can go wrong, and here you will get an option called display orientation. As you can see here in my computer, you simply have to find this setting in your computer and click on it. So as soon as you click on its arrow you will get 3 to 4 options like this. So here you can see now it is selected on the option of rotate mode, that's why the screen of our computer is looking something like this. So here, to fix the screen of our computer, to bring it back to normal mode, you have to select on landscape. As you can see here we are getting the option of landscape just above it. So to fix the screen of our computer we click on it. As soon as we click on it the screen will be straight and we will get an option like this. So here you have to click on key change. So here you can see that the problem of this computer is finally solved. Now the screen of our computer is looking completely normal. So guys, you can also solve the rotation problem of your computer screen like this. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.